Hi guys, I'm Arush and today we're going to make this soft and fluffy vanilla cake that is super easy to bake at home. Just look at that. So moist, so fluffy and super delicious. Without any delay, let's get started. First, in a large bowl, add half a cup of vegetable oil. Then crack in 2 eggs and whisk it in until nice and smooth. Now add 1 cup of powdered sugar and mix until light and creamy. Now let us add in all the dry ingredients. First, add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Sift all of these into the wet mixture and then add 3/4 of a cup milk. Now combine all these ingredients until the batter becomes thick and smooth. Finally, as the last ingredient, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix it in the batter. The batter is ready and now let us prepare the cake tin. Now pour the batter into the cake tin. Bake the cake at 250 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean from the center. The cake is ready. Now demold it and serve with a cup of tea or a scoop of ice cream or just as it is. It tastes delicious no matter how it is served. If you liked the video, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty bakes.